Whoa. Loyalty and trust. Still surviving. Mad Bull. Let's go. Middle finger, you pussies. I was dapping the vets. Skip the line on the rookie's bag like I'm signed to a bookie. Fuck your rhyme and the reason, man type. I am the boogie. Diamond inside of a hoodie. Still got a line for the goodie. I told my brother, Lord, I'm hungry. He said, I got you. Take the summer off. He set the strip up. Told me, come get something off. Shit, he know how I play. Still surviving 2020. Green light. We done said some shit about a 5J. RIP to Wayne Low. RIP to Broadway. We made a brotherhood out of that hallway. All facts. Do this for the niggas at the bottom who still ain't selling songs. $12.75 an hour. Of course he's selling those. He wanna keep the gas or believe he turning on that stove. The stories that I tell y'all, I'm there, nigga. I really know. Word, I seen heaven off a digi-scale. That loyalty and trust towards coming will give your city hell.
Let's go, G4. Another year is gone. We dust these niggas the fuck off, man. We on shit. We mobbing. Fly family. Lord. For the right price, my life like a game show. I change flows and live color like a rainbow. Whoa, blowing pillows of piff. If it wasn't for the Lord P, I'd be still on the strip. Running from the law, big still on my hip. Instead spitting lead, niggas feeling my hits. I ain't in the way, son, I just want my brace done. And hope I'm on tour that the day the rain come. Bars all perfected, scars I collected. Make 4 bracelets from the squad out your necklace. You get yapped for your strength or clapped on the fence. If you looking for the right, now they asking for pence. Nigga, I'll pop, you ain't gon' make my daughter waffles. Wipe off the prints, scrape the numbers off the nostrils. Let's go. I said I wipe off the nigga.